Hey guys, today I will talk about the US dollar first of all, and as you already know guys, yesterday the US reported the lower inflation, so the consumer price index only a 0.1% growth versus 0.2 expected, core CPI 0.4 matching expectations, consumer price index year over year, only a 5.0% growth versus 5.1. So today guys, we'll have the PPI, core PPI, unemployment claims. These are seen as high impact events, guys. Okay, these are seen as high impact events and could shake the markets. First of all guys, risk disclaimer here, and if you have questions, please read the disclaimer. Yeah, it's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Support if you have questions. Thank you guys. Please read it. And yeah, maybe I will start. Yesterday guys, I've had a long here in silver. This was my setup, and personally I've decided here to manage my position right above, or to close it for a small profit right above break even, only because here I've noticed that or actually after failing here to take out 25.198, failing to take out this resistance, signal that maybe we'll have a retreat, a new sell-off after this rally, and also it was risky to maybe to keep it during the consumer price index. Yeah, it would have been a really good setup. It would have reached the take profit, and right now I'm looking for something else here in silver, also on gold. So Ali, hi, how are you? ABOB, hi, how are you? Godspeed Freeman, hi, how are you? Where is money? What? Let's all like the video today, traders. Yeah, if you want to like the video, please do it. USD, Japanese yen, his stop loss, ray trading. I don't know, that was not my trade. That was not my trade. Ray trading. Every time, if you are a VIP member, you can see my name under my work, under my videos, trades, yeah, content into the VIP group. Ethereum pumped so hard. Yeah, about Ethereum, let's take a look, because I've said that I will talk also about cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, yeah, Ethereum. I've talked about Ethereum last week during my live trading session. Maybe the price was here. I believe that yeah, the price was here. It has retested, and I've said that as long as it stays above the medium line, it could maybe develop a new bullish momentum. And yeah, it has rallied in the short term after maybe this sideways movement or something. Yeah, we had here a sideways movement as an upside continuation pattern, rally, retreat, maybe a potential or a range pattern, an upside continuation pattern, a new rally. So right now about Ethereum, guys, I'll wait for maybe for a retreat or for a consolidation before going long again. And personally I have here 2031 as a potential upside target. And yeah guys, as long as it stays above the medium line, temporary retreat, sideways movement, consolidation, accumulation could bring us new long opportunities, new buying opportunities here. And yeah, this is the key level is seen as the first upside target and obstacle. And also personally I'm using a pitchfork, and after stabilizing here above the medium line, the price also, as long as it stays above the medium line, the price could still be attracted by the upper medium line. But right now after this rally, I would like to see a retreat or a consolidation accumulation before trying to go long on Ethereum as well and again, right? So DXY. One moment. Ethereum, hi Olympic, please. Swiss franc, Japanese yen look like a potential short. Charles, let's take a look on that market. But please tell me what you are looking at. Yeah, a short, but on what? I need your levels, maybe. Yeah, your levels, your time frame, because I don't know. We can. Yeah, it looks like a sell to a potential sell. Yeah, maybe because yeah, it has reached the former lows, the former highs here. It has approached, but right now, if we'll take a look here, that's why I want your time frame as well, because Yeah, maybe on if you'll take a look here on daily, maybe yeah, it's still strongly bullish. Maybe I don't want you to sell it there. If we'll take a look on lower time frames, maybe we can catch something, we can identify something. So that's why, guys, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. Your also please I need your levels, your time frame. Okay, let's have a conversation here. Hi from Brazil. Hi, how are you? It's your no money. Okay. What? Ellie, I made sell Euro USD today. It is so logical. You're the best. Okay. Good morning, Olympio. Richard, hi, how are you? Charles, 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour. Let's take a look on. But right now, so I don't have anything, so I don't want you to sell it right now. I'll wait maybe for a bearish pattern, okay? Because maybe in the short term it could only come back down before developing a new bullish momentum. So right now, no, I don't have something like a selling pattern, a bearish pattern, and yeah, maybe taking out here. This taking out and invalidating this order block and the support demand zone here could maybe open the door for a potential sell-off, but right now, no, I don't have something really good on Swiss franc, Japanese yen. So actually, about the Japanese yen, let's take a look on yen basket, and let's start with yen basket. Okay, sorry about that. Yesterday I talked about the lower medium line here, only a temporary rally, a temporary rebound, and right now it has reached again maybe the lower medium line. It has dropped it below it. It challenges 79 or 7,902. It remains to see. Okay, if it stays here, then if it will develop a potential upwards movement, a new leg higher. I've told you yesterday that I'm looking for potential Japanese yen longs, but I need also confirmation in the short term, because if it maybe stabilizes here below the lower medium line and below 79.0202, then it could also extend its sell-off, and the potential deeper drop could will force the Japanese yen to lose more ground versus its rivals. Okay, so right now I need confirmation. I need something really strong here in the short term. Maybe it could approach and reach this order block on daily, maybe before turning to the upside. That's why right now I'll wait. And yeah, I talked about potential setups, but let's take a look. British pound, Japanese yen. Now it has taken out the former high here. Maybe we have resistance, a key level here, but right now, no, I don't have a selling opportunity. Short setup here. I'll wait. As long as it stays also maybe above the lower medium line here, above this zone and area, above 166.02. No, I don't want to sell it. Maybe I will look for longs. Yeah, if the price will come back down to only to retest the support levels before developing a new bullish momentum. One moment. You think we will get another signal on VIP today, Ray? Yeah, personally, I will share a trade. In less than 5 minutes, we'll have the PPI, core PPI, and then I will, because the economic data could have a big impact also on the Japanese yen, could have an impact could have an impact on all markets. Okay, the US data. That's why maybe I'll wait for the economic data before taking action again. Okay, Ethereum just reached, yeah, Pereira, and there's expected rebound on USD. I will take a look on USD again on the dollar index. Richard, yen looks very weak, but who knows, very risky. Yeah, right now I'll wait for the economic data, because most likely will have an impact also on the Japanese yen. And in my opinion, guys, if the US data or if the US data will come in worse than expected, then maybe the US dollar could drop and the Japanese yen could appreciate. And if the US dollar will appreciate after the economic data, then maybe I will look also. But right now about the DXY, about the dollar index, I've talked about the dollar index today in my market breakdown video, but unfortunately it has failed to stay above 101.45, 101.43. So yeah, the dollar index is still bearish. It could still extend its sell-off. So yeah, right now I don't have maybe a buying opportunity on the US dollar. Okay, yeah, dollar going down, gold up. Okay, yeah, and I said, guys, that only maybe better than expected US data could help the US dollar to appreciate in the short term, but right now, yeah, it's still bearish. Okay, the US dollar is still bearish after the DXY ignored the former lows. Aggressive breakdown, maybe retest or something. But if the economic data will come in worse than expected, then it could extend itself off and the US dollar could lose more ground versus its rivals. Okay, and about gold, yeah, about gold, I'm looking for something right now, guys, because yeah, unfortunately that British pound US dollar, that pending order, I've had the pending order on British pound US dollar was invalidated today only because the DXY ignored the former lows. Yeah, gold is still bullish, is strongly bullish. It challenges the former high, yesterday's high. A rally after the consumer price index, a retreat, only false breakdown, a new rally, and maybe I would like to see a consolidation accumulation above this level, or maybe I would like to see a new retreat before extending its growth. Okay, and yeah, I'll wait for the economic data and then I will. Yeah, personally, I would like the price of gold to come back down to retest the order block, the demand zones, the support levels before developing a new bullish momentum. Okay, gold up to 2070. I don't know. It remains to see, guys. Yeah, but gold is it's bullish, and you know that when the DXY drops, gold and silver could approach and reach new highs. So yeah, we have a key level, former high, higher high at that level, and it remains to see how it will react around the former high. Okay, 2032. But right now it's still bullish, but I don't want to buy it at market. Let's refresh the economic calendar. Let's refresh the economic calendar. Because in less than 1 minute we'll have the US economic data, and yeah, I hope that I'll have something really good as a high probability trade. Yeah, maybe yeah, it was a mistake maybe yesterday that I've managed that position in silver, because my risk was only 0.3 or something like this. Yeah, I've used it a small risk on silver, but unfortunately, yeah, the spread was huge. Unfortunately, my long in silver was triggered sooner yesterday due a high or huge spread, and yeah, that's why maybe I didn't want it to keep that position during the consumer price index. So unemployment claims worse than expected. Also, US PPI less than below expectations. So yeah, PPI, core PPI. So poor economic data, and probably the US dollar could lose more ground versus its rivals. So one moment, because I will share the economic data also into the VIP group. VIP group. Where is the VIP group? Here's the VIP group. So US PPI here over here. US jobless claims. Core PPI. And okay, so was the unexpected data, and let's see if we can identify something on the whoa. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to go long, only because yeah, poor economic data, and that's why right now but maybe I would like to see maybe temporary retreats. Yeah, US dollar Japanese yen crashed in the short term, but right now maybe I would like to see something like a retest here before extending its growth. Euro USD broke resistance. Yeah, I've told you guys that if the economic data will come in worse than expected, then the US dollar could lose more ground versus its rivals. I believe that's but no, I don't want to sell it at market, the US dollar. I would like to catch a US dollar Swiss franc. To extend its sell-off, maybe it's too late to sell this market. Yen basket, guys, let's take a look, because I've told you that if yeah, the Japanese yen could appreciate if the US dollar loses ground versus its rivals. So let's take a look. Canadian dollar Japanese yen, for example. But after this this massive sell-off, so only a false breakout above 99.54. Yeah, potential maybe double top here, but this double top could be activated only after dropping and taking out this former low. Maybe I want to see here something on 15 minutes and then rebound and then sell off on Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So I'll wait to see if the price will take out that demand zone and order block. Euro Japanese yen. Looking for something really good, because if I don't have a high probability trade, a high probability setup, I don't want to place a trade. Only British pound Japanese yen. Yeah, I told you guys that as long as it stays above the immediate support levels, no, I don't want to sell it. Okay, so let's take a look. Euro USD. Yeah, it has rallied, guys, but after its amazing rally, maybe I'll wait for a retreat. Maybe I would like the price to come back down here or here before developing a new bullish momentum. It has invalidated this potential rising wedge pattern, but right now, no, I don't want to buy Euro USD at market. I don't want to buy at market because this breakout here could still be invalidated. The price could still invalidate the breakout above 1.1032, and then it could come back down to retest these zones before developing a bullish momentum. Even if, guys, maybe let's take a look. Yeah, the DXY extended its sell-off, okay, as a first reaction. But if the dollar index is it's overbought. If the DXY is it's overbought, then it could turn to the upside even if the economic data came in worse than expected. Okay, so that's why let's take a look. British pound, US dollar. Yeah, also here, yeah, false breakout, a new false breakout above 1.2525. That's why I don't want to maybe to go at market to sell the US dollar at market, actually, yeah, because it could come back down before extending its growth. Actually, maybe personally I would like to see here a test retest before extending its growth, because after this amazing rally here, British pound US dollar could be overbought. Okay, the US dollar could be oversold in the short term. That's why I don't want to sell the US dollar at market right now. Okay, US dollar, Japanese yen. US dollar, Japanese yen. Same here. If you have questions, guys, because if you don't have questions, maybe I will end this webinar soon, and I will try to identify something like a high probability trade later. One moment. One moment. Okay, because right now I don't know if I'll have something really good. Yeah, I've said that maybe it's too late to sell US dollar versus the Swiss franc, US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah. Here maybe New Zealand dollar, US dollar, I'm looking for longs. Maybe after or if the price will come back down to retest this zone or this zone, maybe. How much the DXY can go down before making a new higher high? Any analysis on DXY long term? Yeah, I'll take a look on the DXY again, long term. But USD Japanese yen took stop loss. No, USD Japanese, I don't know. I told you guys that that was not my trade. Okay, I don't know the setup exactly. I don't know the levels. Personally, I'm focusing, guys, only on my work, on my trades, analysis, webinars, videos. Yeah, I've had a content. I don't know. I don't know. You will have to wait for that maybe trader to go live or something, or yeah. Okay, so Australian dollar, US dollar. Now I don't have anything really good. US 100. US 100. So let's take a look again. US dollar, Japanese yen. US dollar, Japanese yen. I don't know, guys, about that US dollar, Japanese yen. That was not my trade, and I will not talk about that trade. I don't know exactly the levels. I can take a look. Let's take a look. But actually, no, I will not talk about that trade because that was not my trade, guys. So I don't know the levels. So US dollar, Japanese yen. Maybe I'm looking for potential shorts. Yeah. Silver trade killed us. What trade? Personally, I've had yesterday a trade on silver, but I decided to manage my trade in silver yesterday. After failing here to take out this former high, and yeah, it was good. So personally, right now I don't have a trade. I didn't have a trade today in silver. Hello, please give me. I've took a short on Ethereum. So I will not tell you what to do. Personally, I've shared my opinion about Ethereum earlier. Yeah. So it's strongly bullish, and I've told you that maybe personally I'll wait for retreats, for a correction, for an accumulation, consolidation before looking for potential longs again. So I will not tell you what to do, guys. Personally, I'm not a financial advisor. If I will have something, I will share my trade, my thought process and the rationale, my trade management. If you want to follow my trades and my management, yeah. US 30. Maybe only potential longs on the US equities if the DXY extended sell-off, if the US dollar loses more ground versus its rivals. Yeah, gold rallies, guys, after worse than expected US data. Rallies. I believe that silver. Yeah. Same with me. Hit stop loss for US dollar, Japanese yen. Why profit? I did exact same entry and stop loss. What's wrong? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. Screen is blurry. I don't know. I don't know why, but I believe that everything is okay. So yeah, maybe I have some connection issues or something, but yeah. Yeah, also you can adjust the settings, the quality. Yeah. DXY again. Nothing really good for me right now. Maybe I'll have to wait for something. So guys, about the trade, I don't know. I told you that was not my trade. I will not talk about that trade, but yeah, it looks that the price reached one moment 133.39. Yeah, that stop loss. Okay, maybe it was a different stop loss. I don't know. Yeah, but it has reached that level. I don't know, but yeah, maybe because of spread or something, but it has reached that level also on 8 cap, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, so British pound, US dollar, false breakout, but I don't want to sell it right now. Only if it will make maybe a new lower low here, but because right now we are in a resistance zone. May I know, is there any suggested broker for me to follow the signal enough for this kind of spread problem? Please send an email to support, guys, if you have questions about brokerage companies. Okay, personally I'm using 8 cap here. Okay, I don't know, maybe you have connection problems or something. I will check the connection myself. No, personally, if I'll take a look here, what quality? No, personally I have also high definition or something. Yeah, so US dollar Swiss franc shorts, probably. What do you think? Advanced life. I've talked about US dollar versus the Swiss franc, and I've said that it's too late. It's too late, maybe to go short right now. Actually, personally, I don't want to sell it here. I'll wait for a rebound. I don't want to sell it after such an impressive downside movement, because yeah, I would like maybe the price to come back. To reach these border blocks or supply zones before going down. No, I don't want to sell it here because it could rebound, even if the US economic data came in worse than expected. Okay. So the quality is it's okay here for me. I don't know, or maybe you have connection problems or something. I don't know. US 500. Maybe only after taking the lower lows, if it will come back higher, and then, but right now it's premature. So no, I don't have something really good right now. Maybe I will come back later with something after the markets. Maybe we'll calm down, we'll cool down after. Maybe we'll have something really good. Yeah, the USD is strongly bearish. It could extend its sell-off. US dollar, Japanese yen. US dollar, Japanese yen. USD CAD. Ali, I'm selling Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Okay, good for you. Personally, I'm not trading on that market. What are you trading on that currency pair? The Australian dollar or the New Zealand dollar? Yeah. US dollar, Singapore dollar. Yeah, but yeah, right now it tries to take out the former lows, and after taking the lows, maybe I would like to see a rebound before going down, or I would like to see actually the price to validate the breakdown before extending its sell-off. So no, that's why I've told you guys I don't want to sell the US dollar at market right now, even if maybe the US dollar will lose more ground versus rivals, because I need a setup. Okay, I need a setup to trade. That's why I don't want to go at market. A high probability setup with a really good risk to reward ratio. Okay. Yeah, gold extended its growth. Silver is strongly bullish. US oil, yeah, US oil. Let's take a look on US oil as well. US oil. Amazing rally, guys. And my potential or my pending order was invalidated here in US oil. US oil. Yeah, but no, I don't want to sell it here right now. Tomorrow, guys, don't forget that tomorrow we'll have the US retail sales economic data, also the Prolin University of Michigan consumer sentiment. These are seen as high impact events as well tomorrow, so the fundamentals could move the markets tomorrow again. And yeah, let's take a look on lower time frames. Okay, I don't have something really good. Yeah, the DXY crashed, the USD extended its sell-off in the short term, but I'll wait maybe for example for the British pound to end its current rally, to come back down, and then I will look for potential new longs, for potential new US dollar shorts. Okay guys, I will come back later with something. I will end the webinar here. Nothing really important for me. Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin changed a little in the short term after its rally, its amazing rally. I've talked about Bitcoin also in the last week during my live trading session and webinar here. And yeah, this range was seen as a potential upside continuation pattern accumulation, and boom. Okay, right now it tries to attract more buyers or to accumulate more bullish energy before extending its growth. So Bitcoin is still bullish, and it could try to approach and reach maybe the former highs. And if the price of Bitcoin will extend its growth, then maybe the altcoins could jump higher as well. Thank you guys. Also, it seems that we have some technical problems here. So I will end the webinar, and maybe I will come back later with a new live trading session. And I really hope that I'll have something like a high probability setup. And I hope that I will have something like a really good trade. I want to place a trade during my live session, at least a trade. But if I don't have a high probability setup and trade, no, I don't want to do anything. Maybe I'll stay away, because yeah, that setup yesterday in silver was really good. Yeah, maybe it was a mistake to manage it. I should have let it ride, only because my risk was only 0.3 or something like this. Geo dive, thank you. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. Also, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Personally, I was long here. I've catched this this upside movement. I've managed my position for a good profit. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, here around these levels, yeah, around 98.79 or something. Okay, a really good. I've catched this upside movement here for the VIPs, and I will come back with new and with more high probability setups and trades. And thank you, guys. Don't forget to like the video, and I will come back later, maybe with something else, with a high probability setup if I'll have one. And I will come back later, and I will go live tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.